Hello audience. Here I am going to share with you a new course that is being brought to you and which is very important in fact. This course is related with business and management and the name and title of the course is Financial and Accounting Management. Well, financing and accounting is one domain into the wide and versatile science of management which is very important. And that is why it is being practiced by the professional who have lots and lots of experience. So, I have brought to you a very wide course with certification into financial and accounting management. Now, let me introduce myself to you. I am Professor Shammi Bhatia, having more than 15 years of academic and industry experience in various fields of management, which involves finance, economics, accountancy, statistics, management research, sales and marketing, and budgeting. So, my passion into finance and accounting let me take this course. So that is why I have decided to bring this course to you. Well, what are the things that we will be doing under this course? I am very happy to share with you that this course is having almost all the topics contained in it. This course is divided into two parts. The one is financial management and the rest of the portion is accounting management. And so both the finance and accounts make up the complete course of financial and accounting management. In this course, you will learn the meaning and concept of finance, then depth of financial management, tools and techniques of financial management, strategy of financial management, then share and equity markets, taxation, then we have capital markets, then we have banking. So this course suits everyone. I will be starting with very fundamental so that all the audience gets a deep interest in learning this course. On the other side, we have accounting. So in accounting also, I will be starting with the very basics. The learning objectives will result into the complete understanding of the concepts of accountancy, which involves principles of accounting, bookkeeping, principles and conventions of accounting management. Then we have modern taxation, concepts of auditing, and then financial ratios. So, I have tried my level best to bring you best of the things under both financial and the accounting management. So I am hopeful that you will definitely fall in love with this course because financial and accounting management is supposed to be a very important area of our life. And so managing finances is very critical for everyone. So with this hope, I suppose that all of you would definitely be benefited out of this course and would love to enroll for this course. So that's all from my side. So see you soon. Thanks a lot and wish you all the best. Stay safe.